Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Megha and you're watching Rome by Irani's vlog. I hope you guys are doing extremely well. Wish you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year. May this Diwali bring a lot of love, happiness and peace to every one of you. And this vlog is all about Bath and Body Works. This is their Diwali offer. So if you're somebody who loves the Bath and Body Works and if you love their candles, their fragrances, do watch this video till the end. And today I'm going to talk only about the candles. We recently been to the store and we have gone mad over there because they have massive collection on Diwali offer. So we ended up on buying perfumes, we ended up on buying some other stuff and also candles. So sorry for the background noise, because of Diwali there are cracker bursting around, so just ignore that. So this video is related to all about candles. As you must be aware till now, if you are seeing our videos regularly, that Rumi and I are obsessed with Bath and Body Works products. We have done couple of vlogs in our past videos as well, and if you haven't seen it, please do check it out because we have got massive good response, good comments, and people have actually liked those videos. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, guys, please do consider subscribing. Our channel name is Rome by Iranis and we also available on Instagram, so where we do a lot of updates there as well. So if you're somebody who loves Bath and Body, do check out online or maybe store, because they have some offer going on, buy 3 get 2 or maybe buy 2 get 1 free. This is not a paid promotion, guys, it's just we love Bath and Body. So I will link down all the products of the candle which I have bought it in the description box below. If you want to check out, you can do that. And without further ado, let's dive into the video, guys. So guys, we got total 6 candles from Bath and Body. So my first and foremost collection from out of 6 is the Laundry Day. You might not be able to see it because it's white in color, so you maybe not be able to see the name out here. It's a 3-wick candle and this candle is for 2599, but I haven't paid the whole amount for this because it was in an offer. Now this is from the new collection. The moment I took this in my hand, and the fragrance took me to complete different world altogether. I have earlier also picked up something similar to this, and which I have finished it off. It's really good. Who doesn't like good laundry smell? This is exactly like Presto. It's a perfect example. If you've been to Presto stores, you get that kind of aroma when you enter those stores. This is exactly that. It makes you feel fresh, and if I have to rate this, I will definitely give, out of 5 I will give 4. Talking about the fragrance, it has that fresh fragrance, it has that soft lavender touch to it, and with some essential oils. So this is a very good buy. If you are somebody who loves laundry smell, please go for this. This is a very good buy. Moving on to the next candle, my second candle is 1000 Wishes. Now this candle is really good and a wish come true. It's one of the best selling candle of Bath and Body Works. Now the aroma of this, it's complete floral. I mean, it has that creamy vanilla essence to it with a hint of sweet champagne, but it's really nice. It's not that strong. Now this is also again for 2599, but I haven't paid the whole amount for this as well. Overall the aroma is really nice. It's very feminine. If I have to rate this out of 5, I will give 4. It's one of their best selling and you need to try this if you're somebody who loves floral smell. Very good. My next candle is the Aromatherapy Stress Relief Eucalyptus Plus Peppermint. If you have seen my earlier vlog of Bath and Body, I have shown this candle, and this is again I picked up. This is my all-time favorite candle, and in fact Rumi also loves this one because it has that refreshing aroma to it. The moment you enter a spa, it's exactly that fragrance. It really makes you calm. The moment you light this up, I'm telling you guys, after that stressful day of work, this really gives you, it makes you calm. So this is really good. You should definitely try this one because it has that, that huge amount of eucalyptus and spearmint to it, which is really good. And this bottle is also again for 2599. Again, not paid the whole amount, so I got it on a discount, so I picked it up. This is value for money, guys. And if I have to rate this candle, I would definitely rate 5 out of 5. So you can imagine the kind of fragrance it has. It just makes you so calm, stress free. So do try this out. Moving on to the next candle is the Mahogany Teakwood High Intensity. Now this is one of their new version. They also have a mild fragrance candle in this, but this is the high intensity, so it has a strong woody fragrance. Now if you're somebody who loves woody fragrance, then this is a right choice. It has a classic woody fragrance to it. It's unisex. It is not too girly or not too manly. I actually like the fragrance of it. In fact, Rumi also loved it, the high intensity one. In fact, the store manager recommended us to go for this one instead of the mild fragrance. This is again for 2599, not paid the full price again. And I really wanted to try this, and I'm looking forward to try this one. And if I have to rate this, I will definitely give 4.5 out of 5. And it smells amazing. It's really good. It smells like that, you know, that rich perfume, actually, the woody fragrance. When you get it, it really smells like that. So this is again a very good buy. Moving on to my fifth candle is Hello Beautiful. Now this candle has a very subtle fragrance of floral, you know, that floral petals. Actually, it's not too strong, not too mild, and it's perfect. I mean, it's good for evening. Actually, if you want to light up in your hall or maybe bedroom, it's really good. It's not too strong, as I mentioned. It's very subtle, and it has that those petals essential oil to it, including musk. So it's nice. I am looking forward to try this. Again, this is for this is for 2299. So I have not paid the whole amount, so I'm lucky I got a very good discount. So don't wait. If you are somebody who loves Bath and Body, do try their store or maybe online. And if I have to rate, it's really smelling nice. I will rate 3.5 out of 5. So good one. Now Bath and Body has come with their Mimosa collection recently. So my last candle is Sunshine Mimosa. Now this is a really good buy. You know, this actually fragrance, it's good for, like, if you are going for some picnic, or maybe if you have some function at home. It has that, you know, that orange peel fragrance. If you know, this is exactly that fragrance. It's really nice. You can carry along with you if you're traveling somewhere, maybe up for a party or something. It's really makes the environment really cool. Talking about the fragrance, as I mentioned, it has that orange peel fragrance. It has a citrus fragrance to it, and I definitely wanted to try this one since I love orange, that citrusy fragrance. So this is again for 2599, and keeping in mind the new collection, I got it a good discount, guys. Alright guys, we got one more product along with this candles, thought of showing you right now. This is the candle stand. So we have picked up few earlier also, which I've shown you in my previous video. Now look at this candle stand. Isn't it look very classy? That elegant look it has. Now this is made of heavy glass, and these are the flowers, which is made of metal, and this is for rupees 2499, but we haven't paid the actual amount. It's on discounted. Actually, we got it. So it looks really classy. I'm definitely looking forward to use this during Diwali. And you just have to place the candle on top of it, and that's it. Look at the feeling it gives you, that rich feeling. Actually, you get it looking at such beautiful stand. So if you somebody who wants to buy the stand, they have a good collection of stands as well. So we picked up only one because we have already got it earlier also. So this is something we really liked it, so got this. Alright guys, so this was the collection of Bath and Body Works candles. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite one. And if you're somebody who is looking forward to buy and you're confused, let me know what are your favorite fragrances so I can guide you on that, because since I've recently been to the store, I know some of their recent fragrances as well, so I can help you out with that. And with this, it's a wrap. I'm gonna see you soon soon guys in our next video. Till then, you take care and keep supporting, keep loving our channel, keep watching. I'm gonna see you soon guys in the next video. Till then, you take care. Bye. Love you and happy Diwali once again. Take care. Bye.